If you are looking to up your gingerbread house game, you will love this easy hack for beautiful gingerbread house stained glass windows. By using your favorite hard candies, you can replicate the look of stained glass. It is completely edible and looks stunning. Though making a gingerbread house can be tricky, creating stained glass windows is quite easy. In only a few simple steps, you can transform your baked gingerbread house into a masterpiece. This is a great activity with your family, as everyone can enjoy creating the gingerbread house. What you will need: ingredients: 5½ to 6 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon ground cloves, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 1 cup solid vegetable shortening, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1 1/4 cups molasses. Hard candies. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your cookie trays with parchment paper, or if you prefer, use silicone baking mats. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, salt, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. In a medium saucepan, heat the shortening until fully melted. Allow the shortening to cool slightly once melted. Step 3. Add the eggs, sugar, and molasses to the saucepan with the melted shortening. Mix the ingredients while they are still in the saucepan. Add 4 cups of your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Step 4. On a lightly floured work surface, turn out your gingerbread dough. Knead in the remaining dry ingredients, adding more flour if needed to create a firm dough. Step 5. Using a rolling pin, roll out the dough till it is 1/4–1/8 inch in thickness. Use a pizza cutter or cookie cutters to cut out the shape of your gingerbread house. Step 6. Use your rolling pins to crush the Jolly Ranchers or your hard candy of choice. To make it easier, you can place each color in a separate bag and crush them from there. Step 7. Add your gingerbread to the baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Bake small cookies for 6 to 10 minutes and large cookies for 10 to 15 minutes. Bake the cookies you are going to add stained glass windows to for 5 minutes less. Step 8. When the cookies with window cutouts have 5 minutes left, pull them out of the oven. Add a few different colors of crushed candy to the gingerbread windows of your house. Step 9. After adding the crushed hard candies, return the gingerbread dough to the oven. Bake the cookies for another 5 minutes, allowing the hard candies to melt. Allow the cookies to cool on the pans for at least 10 minutes before transferring to the wire rack. Step 10. Once your gingerbread cookies have cooled completely, you can assemble your gingerbread house using icing. After assembly, you can proceed to decorate it however you'd like. Tips and tricks. Your homemade gingerbread house can be kept on display for about 2 to 4 weeks. For best results, cover your gingerbread house at night with plastic wrap to help keep it fresh. It is best to keep it in a cool, dry area away from direct sunlight or a heat source. In addition to Jolly Ranchers, you can also use hard lightsabers or even butterscotch candies to make your stained glass windows. For the most vibrant color, Jolly Ranchers are the way to go. Instead of using hard candies, you can also use melted sugar as well for the gingerbread house windows. Simply add 1 cup of sugar to a small saucepan over medium heat until melted. You can also add half a cup of light corn syrup to the sugar and melt it in the microwave instead of the stovetop. Once fully melted, add your choice of food coloring and pour into the windows of the baked gingerbread house. You can separate the melted candy into different bowls to add different colors. Let the melted sugar fully dry in the windows before assembling the house. To help ensure your house will come together, print off some templates online. This will allow you to easily cut out your house by laying down the templates on the dough and using a pizza cutter to cut them out. For easy cleanup, it is recommended to use parchment paper when making a gingerbread house with stained glass windows. This will prevent any candy from sticking to your baking tray. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.